Hello there, welcome to Learning Norms, and today we're going to see how nested if-else uh, condition works actually. So I've already written all the conditions that we need to write this code, like we are going to solve leap year problem. So in order to solve that, we'll have to follow these conditions. Okay, right now let's just take one input from the user. Okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, and ask for the leap year. Enter a year to check the leap year. Okay, just ask for a leap year and save the data in a variable. Int year equals input dot next int. Okay, so we will save the data on this variable, year variable, and then we will give the above conditions, okay, to check whether it is leap year or not. First let's write if, then round brackets and curly brackets. Okay, then within the condition we will check whether it is divisible by 4, that is year modulus operator 4 equals 0. This means that if we divide the year by 4, if the remainder is 0, then it is divisible by 4. Okay, but before entering within this block, let's just write the else condition. Well, this process is to make the entire thing easier, because the leap year problem is a bit complex. Okay, so let's just write system dot out dot println. This is in order to write what if it is not divisible by 4, then it is not a leap year. Okay, okay, so the program will first check this condition. If this condition is fulfilled, then it will enter within this condition, and now we will use the nested if else condition. When we write if else condition within another if else condition, it is known as nested if else condition. So okay, so if we have checked this condition, now we are going to check this one. Okay, that year cannot be divisible by 100. Okay, so in order to do that, first we'll have to check, let's just write year modulus 100 equals 0. This means that it is divisible by 100, but if this is divisible by 100, we're not going to write leap year. So if it is not divisible by 100, we are going to write that it's a leap year. System dot out dot println. Okay, it is okay. Okay, let's just explain it now. First, this will check this condition. If it fulfills, then it will check this condition. But if this condition is true, it is not a leap year. But what if this condition is false? Then it is a leap year, as our condition suggests that the year cannot be divisible by 100. So then if these two conditions are fulfilled, we will check the third condition. The third condition is it has to be divisible by 400. So let's just write it, if else, and within the bracket we will write year modulus 400 equals. So this condition means that it is divisible by 400. Then just print this one, it is a leap year. Okay, let's just copy it and paste it over here. So this is a leap year. If this is not divisible by 100, then we will have to give another condition, like is not a leap year. Okay, so doing that, I think there's no mistake, it's done. Okay, let's just enter a year, 1900. Okay, it's not a leap year, but let's check 2000. It's a leap year, see. Then let's check another year, 2019. It's not a leap year. So I hope you understood the conditions and the way I applied it. And if you have any kind of problem, you can write it in the comment section below. And but the more you practice, the more you'll get better on this. And try to get this tutorial as slowly as possible, and try to understand the basic conditions for fulfilling a leap year. Okay, I hope you understood something and learned something from it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.